Hey there, photography enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Newborn baby photography tips. First things first. Create a cozy and safe spot for the baby. A soft blanket and a comfortable surface are key. Let there be light. Natural light is your best friend. Position the baby near a window to get that soft, flattering light. Poses and props. Try simple poses. The froggy pose is adorable. Use gentle props like baskets or headbands to add charm. Timing and patience. Newborns have their own schedules. Be patient and flexible, they call the shots. Camera settings. Set your camera to a wide aperture for that dreamy background blur. Fast prime lenses work wonders. Capturing emotions. Capture those precious expressions and emotions. That's what it's all about. Editing magic. Post-processing can enhance your shots. Brighten, adjust contrast, and you're good to go. Newborn photography in a nutshell. Give it a try, and remember, practice makes perfect. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy snapping!